Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we will learn the alphabet letters. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
London Bridge is falling down,
N,
falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
O,
My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones.
P,
Sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones. My
Q,
fair lady.
R, S,
Sticks and stones will all
T,
fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down.
U,
my fair lady. Build it up with wood
V,
and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair
W,
lady.
X, Y,
Wood and clay will wash away,
C,
wash my fair lady.
N for net. O for onion.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow.
P for pen.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is
Q for
falling
queen.
down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge
R
is
for ring.
falling down, my fair lady.
S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.